Unveiling spiritual attacks, origins and motivations. Understanding the characteristics of spiritual attacks involves recognizing various signs and symptoms that may manifest physically, emotionally, or spiritually. These can range from unexplained fatigue and mood swings to a sudden streak of bad luck or feeling disconnected from one's spiritual beliefs. Identifying these symptoms early can be crucial in addressing and relieving the attack's impact. People may initiate spiritual attacks out of a desire for power, control, or revenge. In some cases, the motives are deeply rooted in feelings of inadequacy or a misguided belief that harming others can bring personal gain or satisfaction. This malevolent intent harnesses negative energy directed towards the victim, aiming to cause harm or misfortune. Jealousy and envy are potent fuels for spiritual attacks, often stemming from one's inability to accept another's success or happiness. These negative emotions can lead to the creation of harmful intentions, manifesting as spiritual attacks aimed at bringing the envied person down. The energy of these emotions is highly destructive and can cause significant distress to the recipient. Spiritual attacks can originate from both human and non-human sources. Human sources include individuals or groups harnessing negative energies through curses, hexes, or psychic attacks. Non-human origins might involve malevolent spirits or entities seeking to create chaos or feed off the energy of living beings. Understanding the source is crucial for effectively countering the attack. The impact of negative energy in our lives can be profound, manifesting as obstacles, health issues, or a pervasive sense of unease. When targeted by a spiritual attack, this energy infiltrates various aspects of one's life, creating a domino effect of negativity. Recognizing and addressing this energy is essential in restoring balance and well-being. Spiritual vulnerabilities are a perplexing aspect of our being, making some individuals more susceptible to spiritual attacks. This susceptibility often stems from a combination of factors such as emotional state, energy levels, and past traumas. A person's aura, a subtle energy field surrounding them, plays a significant role in either attracting or repelling spiritual negativity. A vibrant, strong aura acts as a shield, while a weakened one may invite unwelcome energies. Protective practices serve as essential tools for those seeking to safeguard themselves from harmful spiritual influences. Simple daily rituals, such as visualizing a protective light surrounding the body or setting intentions for safety and positivity, can fortify one's spiritual defenses. These practices not only shield but also help in maintaining a state of spiritual equilibrium. Spiritual hygiene is akin to physical cleanliness, essential for repelling attacks. Regularly cleansing one's personal space and aura through smudging, salt baths, or meditation helps in clearing away negative energies. This form of hygiene prevents the accumulation of spiritual debris, which can attract malevolent forces. The power of belief systems cannot be understated in the realm of spiritual protection. What one believes fundamentally shapes their reality, including their vulnerability or resilience to spiritual attacks. A strong, positive belief system can create an impenetrable barrier against negativity, enhancing one's spiritual defenses. Healing after a spiritual attack is a journey back to equilibrium, requiring steps to cleanse, restore, and protect one's energy. It involves recognizing the impact of the attack, seeking guidance for healing, and employing protective practices to prevent future vulnerabilities. This process helps individuals regain their strength and balance, fortifying them against further spiritual disturbances. Healing after a spiritual attack requires a multifaceted approach, focusing on renewing one's energy and spirit. It begins with recognizing the attack's impact on your well-being and taking deliberate steps towards emotional and spiritual recovery. Engaging in activities that restore balance, such as meditation or spending time in nature, can significantly aid in regaining inner peace. Forgiveness plays a crucial role in overcoming spiritual conflicts. Holding on to anger or resentment can prolong the negative effects of an attack, anchoring you to a low vibrational state. Embracing forgiveness helps release these toxic energies, facilitating a smoother healing journey and restoration of your spiritual equilibrium. and meditation are powerful tools for spiritual protection, offering a shield against further attacks. They connect you with higher powers, providing strength and guidance. Regular practice enhances your spiritual defenses, making you less vulnerable to negative influences and fostering a sense of inner calm. Lifestyle choices have a profound impact on your spiritual vulnerability and protection. A balanced diet, adequate rest, and mindful activities contribute to a stronger, more resilient aura. Avoiding substances or behaviors that lower your vibrational energy is key to maintaining a protective barrier against spiritual negativity. Recognizing the signs of curses and hexes is vital for timely intervention. Symptoms may include unexplained fatigue, irrational fears, or a streak of bad luck. Seeking solutions through cleansing rituals or consulting spiritual healers can help break the curse and restore normalcy to your life. In times of spiritual turmoil, the support of a close-knit community becomes invaluable. This collective backing not only provides emotional comfort but also strengthens individuals' spiritual defenses. Shared wisdom and experiences within these groups can illuminate pathways to healing and empowerment, offering a protective shield against further attacks. Traditional and non-traditional healers play a critical role in addressing spiritual disturbances. Their deep understanding of the metaphysical realm allows them to identify the root causes of such issues. By employing ancient practices alongside modern techniques, these healers can offer bespoke solutions that restore balance and harmony. The intersection of mental health and spiritual well-being is profound. Often, the symptoms of a spiritual attack can mirror those of psychological distress, making it crucial to approach healing from both angles. Acknowledging this connection can lead to more effective and comprehensive care strategies, ensuring a holistic recovery. Dreams and omens serve as gateways to understanding the unseen, offering clues that can alert us to potential spiritual threats. By paying attention to these subtle signs, individuals can preemptively address negative influences, safeguarding their spiritual health. This heightened awareness can be a crucial tool in navigating the complexities of spiritual conflicts. Harnessing positive energy and love is perhaps the most potent defense against spiritual negativity. These powerful forces can dissolve barriers of hatred and envy, creating an environment where malevolent energies struggle to thrive. By cultivating an aura of positivity, individuals can fortify themselves against unseen adversities, ensuring their spirit remains untainted. The role of ancestral spirits and guides in protection and guidance is deeply embedded in many cultures. These entities are believed to offer wisdom, strength, and protection from the unseen realms, guiding us through life's challenges. Navigating the challenges of spiritual warfare in modern times requires a blend of ancient wisdom and contemporary understanding. The clash between our fast-paced lives and the need for spiritual grounding has never been more pronounced. Self-awareness and intuition are key in recognizing spiritual dangers. Tuning into our inner guidance can alert us to negativity and threats in our environment, allowing us to act before harm can manifest in our lives. Balancing the physical and spiritual aspects of oneself is essential for holistic protection. Neglecting either can lead to vulnerabilities, making it easier for negative energies to penetrate our defenses and disrupt our well-being. The use of crystals, herbs, and talismans has been a long-standing practice in warding off spiritual negativity. These tools are believed to carry specific energies that can shield us from harm and enhance our spiritual strength. The energy that surrounds us in our environments plays a crucial role in our spiritual well-being. Just as sunlight nurtures plants, the energies in our homes and workplaces can feed our souls or deplete them. Recognizing and adjusting these energies through practices like feng shui can create sanctuaries that support our spiritual health. Cleansing spaces and objects of negative spiritual energies is akin to opening windows to let fresh air in. This can be achieved through smudging with sage, sound baths, or even simply rearranging furniture. The act of cleansing is a powerful declaration of reclaiming one's space and ensuring it is a source of rejuvenation rather than drain. Boundaries are not just physical, they are spiritual necessities. Setting limits on what energies we allow into our personal space is crucial for maintaining spiritual health. It's about discerning which interactions uplift us and which deplete us, and making conscious choices to engage with the former. A positive community acts as a bulwark against spiritual attacks. It's in the collective strength, shared wisdom, and mutual support that we find resilience against negativity. Cultivating such a community means actively seeking and nurturing relationships that elevate our spiritual well-being. Embracing the journey of overcoming spiritual attacks teaches us resilience, wisdom, and strength. Each challenge presents an opportunity for growth, pushing us to learn more about ourselves and our capabilities. It's a journey that, while often difficult, ultimately leads to a richer, more balanced life. To see more videos like this, consider subscribing to the channel and giving this video a like to support. It would be good to get a conversation started in the comments about your experiences so we can learn from each other and create a supportive space.